Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to write a program that will ask the user to give length value in inches, and then it will convert into centimeter equivalent using a function in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, visitors, and most importantly to all my avid subscribers. Thank you for your support by watching, sharing, and most importantly by subscribing. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So we have here def for a function declaration, inch underscore cm inches. Using return statement, we simply multiply inch, the passing parameter here, by 2.54. It means that 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeters. Print, for formatting purposes, print inches to centimeter using function, the title of our program, \n new line. If you are familiar with C programming, inch underscore value equals float, typecasting input, give value in inches, print, we display inches is equals to centimeters, inch underscore value, inch underscore, calling the function inch underscore 2 underscore cm, inch underscore value, and then we close. Don't worry guys, as I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go in our online gdb.com as our compiler for Python. Let us click the run button. Okay, our program is running inches to centimeter using function in Python, give value in inches. Let's say we have 6. So 6 inches is equals to 15.24 centimeters. Click run again. It's 8.45 inches. 8.45 inches is equals to 21.64629997 centimeters. Last example, 4 inches is equals to 10.16 centimeters. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on inches to centimeter using function in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching guys. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel. As always, this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.